Guys, once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to, perform a one very good simulation. Simulation actually means, the working in a virtual environment. So actually, what I feel, to learn the experiments or to learn the real life examples, one should have to, perform the simulation first rather than jump into, exactly doing that particular experiment. The reason behind that is, sometimes we did some mistakes, and in the simulation we can understand it better. If you did it the mistake in physically, then it will damage the equipments also. And also, not only the damage, but also, the what we call the enthusiast of that particular person, get the moral of that particular person, morale of that particular person low down. So before, this is my advice, before doing the actual implementation of some particular projects, you should have to do the simulation of that. So, and simulation means doing that particular experiment in a virtual environment. This is a COVID time, and COVID time is an opportunity for, for some to come up with some new innovative teaching styles. So I found, several websites, and in the subsequent sections, I will explore how, simulation can be done in the various domains. So without wasting time, let us start this video. We will see how, do the simulation on the different domains. I hope you will like this video. If you like, kindly share, subscribe, and so let us begin with the simulation of, the how to, the various forms of energy get converted into one to another. So here for this experiment we have taken iron brick, and there is a two heaters, water, and the olive oils as shown in the diagram, as shown in this figure simulation tool. So let us, perform an experiment, and we will see, I can show you how, you can perform a practical by using this, how you can see the exactly. Exactly transformation of the energy can take place. So here it is water, olive oil, and iron and bricks are there, and you can see the molecules. Once you clicked on this is the water olive oil molecules, and this is the brick molecules, and this is the molecules of the iron block. So once, on a one, on one of the block I put the iron, and on the other heater I put a brick, and on the iron, I'll put water beaker, and on the brick I will put the olive oil beaker. And once I on this, once I hit it, I start hitting this, you see the molecules first. So once I start hitting this, you see the molecules of the iron get, transform the energy of this heat energy into the water, and the water started, boiling, and it is clearly visualizing using this simulation. In the same way, and the water after some time it get, converted into steam. And in the same way, when we try to heat on the brick, since the brick has, little tendency of the molecule to transfer, but and the olive oil also, you see the rate at which the olive oil get heated is, it is slower than the water. So it is clearly shown here in the water molecule. When we transfer it from the iron block, it is, transferred at a very high rate. And the in this case, in the second case, the water, the heat from the brick to the olive oil, it will take some time. So this is how you can perform this simulation. Although this simulation you can, this practical you can perform in your laboratory, but due to, COVID atmosphere, and everyone we are in the home, so you can see the practical exposure of this practical. And I believe the science without the practical is, useless. So I'll advise you all to, just go to this link and try to do this simulation. So now let us see some another parts of the simulation. Yes. The kinetic energy, and then this kinetic energy uh, will be responsible for the moving of this the turbine, and due to which the energy particles goes into the water and the water get heated up. So what kind of energies get transformed? You see the muscular energy, then it comes into the kinetic energy of the wheel, then this kinetic energy is responsible for moving of this generator, and from the generator the energy particles are then moved towards the water to heat it up. So this how the energy is get changed. So clearly, this, if you see it clearly again, see, this is the green is the chemical energy, then chemical energy change into the mechanical white one, then it get converted into blue electrical, then this electrical get changed into the thermal, and this how the energy is changing, which you can see clearly. Now let us see the another simulation. Now this time, uh, now this time we have this water pump. When I open the pipe, the water is falling, and it is responsible. If we see the energy symbols, see the mechanical energy of the water get changed into turbine, moving turbine, and this turbine then produces the electrical energy. This electrical energy then helping the water to heat it up, get converted into electrical energy. So this how in a in a hydropower station the energy get changed. So this is again a very beautiful example. Let it closed, and we'll see the next one. Let us suppose there is a sun. So and obviously for sun this generator will not work. Here we have to use a solar panel. So once we, and there is no obstruction in the atmosphere. So how it works? See, sun send the light energy everywhere. This light energy fall into this solar panel and converted into the electrical energy. Then this electrical energy is responsible for conversion of the energy into water energy as at thermal energy as shown here. And this is a very important. And you see, when there is a lot of clouds, when I move here, some obstructions are there. See, when the obstructions are there, the energy particle are not can come to this solar panel, and due to which the and this energy the energy is not get transferred. When you lower it down, you see some obstacles are there. Then also the efficiency of solar panel is reduced, because some of the only energy particles get reach. So this is also shows if there is a pollution, and due to which the pollution there is a obstruction, more obstruction, so the solar panel will not work. So this is again one of the important examples you can see demonstration here. And another demonstration you can see with the thermal power station, where it is given provided to the generator by the steam. So this is how the steam engine also work. If you see the energy particles, see the thermal energy get converted into the mechanical energy E, then it is converted into this blue, that is electrical energy, then electrical energy converted into the thermal energy as shown in this figure. This is again a very important and understandable example. So you can change the source also with if you don't want to put generator here, sorry, if you don't want to put the water, you can use the filament bulb or the CFL, or the simple the that is what we call exhaust fan. So let's see this again. When you clicked it, see this exhaust fan get moved, and what kind of energy get changed, you can visualize it. The chemical energy of the man get converted into mechanical energy, then mechanical energy get transformed into this electrical energy, and from electrical energy it get transformed into the mechanical one. So this how with this simulation, the purpose of this simulation, I want to show how the different kinds of energy get changes into one form to the another form. In the same way, you can see if you change it with the CFL, and again you started it, feed it means you give some energy to the man, then again the chemical energy of a man get changed into some mechanical energy, this mechanical energy, and some, you see, some thermal energy are also produced. This is because there is a friction and some heat is also produced. See here, with this help, now this time the light energy is produced. So I hope you understand this, how this simulation is done. I will provide this link, and this is one of the, one of the very very important practical. If you visualize this, you can understand the work energy principle clearly, how the transformation of the energy can take place. I hope this is enough for this video. We will come back soon and meet soon in a new video with a new innovative simulation technique. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.